Hello, my name is Ali Shah. Today I'm going to evaluate a Pakistani pharmaceutical company named Glaxo based on its historical data of last 5 years like dividends and share market price. So I have few questions. In first question, I will consider the historical data of the company and try to answer the question. So the question is, if an investor who bought 500 shares of GSA company in 2017 and hold those shares for 5 years and sell the shares in 2020, how much return in percentage he would have earned by holding the shares for 5 years. So by applying the formula of return, which is R is equal to dividends plus uh, selling price, you can say that final investment minus initial investment, which is purchasing price, and divided by initial investment. And I'm going to apply this formula and we'll find the return now. So first of all, I'm going to add dividends of all the 5 years I have taken, starting from 2017. Then I will add 2018 dividend plus 2019 plus 2020 plus 2021 and the final year, which is 2022. After adding dividends, I will add the difference of final investment and initial investment, and then finally I'll divide it by initial investment. So the question here is that how to find final investment. Final investment will be obtained by multiplying those 500 shares with the market price of 2022. So the market price of share is 88. I'll multiply 88 with 500 because the investor hold 500 shares. So as you can see that the final investment, which means the selling price of the shares, is 44,000. So I'll subtract initial investment from final investment. So now we'll find initial investment. Initial investment will be obtained by multiplying the price of the shares, which was in 2017, which is 167.88, with 500 shares. So by multiplying 500 with the share price of 2017, I have got 83,940. Now I will subtract 44,000 from 83,940 and I'll divide it by 83,940. So let's see. So the investor has earned 41% return by holding its share for 5 years, which means that he remains in profit. Now I'll try to answer question number 2, which is based on estimated data. So we have to estimate the dividends and share market price according to the performance of the company in the last 5 years. So let's assume the dividends and share market price of the next 5 years. It is a future estimation which could be wrong. The question is, on the basis of this data, we have to find the current share market price. So firstly, I am going to find the present value of future dividends. So the formula of present value is future value divided by 1 plus r raised to power n, which by applying this formula on future estimated dividends, we'll get the current share price. So first of all, I'm going to assume a future return, which I have estimated is 10%. By applying this return in present value formula, we'll get the current share market price of 2023. Now I will divide dividend of 2023 with 1 plus r, which is I have assumed 1 plus 10%, which is 0.10, raised to power 1. My current share price is 8.1. Now I'll apply the same formula in 2024, but in 2024 n will be equal to 2. So let's try to find out. So I have got 6.19 current share price. I will apply the same formula till 2026, but in the last year, which is 2027, I will add the market price of the share also with the dividend. Then I'll divide it by 1 plus 10% raised to power 5. So I've got 79. So by adding the current share prices of all the years, I have got 103.26 current share price. Final question is, being a financial analyst, what would do you recommend based on the data analysis whether the shares of company chosen are to buy or to sell? As the share price of the last 5 years is decreasing gradually, so there is a probability that it can go upward now. So based on my estimation, company's dividend share market price has increased and return at the last 6 years is positive. It's positive and it will further increase in future. There is a probability. It's not any surety. It is only a probability because the average of share price remains near 140. It's not any financial or expert advice, it's only my estimation. So don't rely on it. So that's all. It was all my estimation. See you in the next video. Goodbye.